Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Easy Tips for Beauty. I hope so you are all good with the blessings of Allah Almighty. Today I have come with a new video in which we will discuss 4 best homemade scrubs to get rid of cracked heels. So in this video we will learn that how we can get rid of cracked heels. So first of all we will see what are the causes of cracked heels. Standing for long hours and exposure of feet to open environment can be the reasons for cracked feet. Overexposure of your feet to water, excessively hot showers or baths, less humidity in the surrounding environment. Being overweight can be the one of the cause, as it causes excess pressure on the feet pad leading to the cracked heels. Psoriasis, eczema and other skin related diseases are some of the causes. Wearing footwear that causes discomfort or back open footwear may also lead to the cracked heels. Symptoms of cracked heels. Symptoms of the cracked heels include the itchy, rough and flaky skin, redness and the fissure in the feet, cracks to the extent where you even experience bleeding from cracks. The condition worsened during the summer and winter climatic conditions. You can control the harmful effects that affected your feet and can still dream of soft and silky feet by saving your fortune. Here are some quickly home remedies exfoliating scrubs that help you prevent your feet from cracked feet and protect you from other skin diseases and rashes. Scrub to soften your feet. So here are given some of the home remedies. Number 1, scrub to soften your feet. This homemade scrub is used to soften your feet with minimal effort. The ingredients used in this scrub are mostly available in our day-to-day life. Ingredients: brown sugar 2 tablespoons, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, honey 1 tablespoon, olive oil 1 tablespoon. Bathtub half filled with warm, not hot water. Method: take a bowl and mix well all the ingredients just mentioned above one by one until it forms thick, sticky, smooth paste and set it aside. Now soak your feet in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes so that your feet are freed from minute dust particles and are clean and smooth. With the feet still in the tub, slather the exfoliating agent over the foot and gently scrub your foot, moving your hands in circular motions. Repeat the same to the other foot. After this, rinse off your feet in the tub to get a smooth and silky feet. This scrub nourishes the dry skin and removes the dead skin cells under your feet. Number 2, exfoliating foot scrub. This exfoliating foot scrub revitalizes and softens the rough feet. Follow the steps carefully to gain soft and silky feet. Ingredients: milk 1 cup, warm water 5 cups, sugar or salt 4 tablespoons, baby oil or coconut oil half cup, pumice stone, Stridex pad, salicylic acid cream or thick moisturizer soft. Method: drop 1 cup of milk and 5 cups of warm water in a bathtub and soak your feet for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now in a bowl, take half cup of baby or coconut oil and add sugar or salt to it and mix it well. Vegetable oil can be easily replaced with other oils. After forming a thick paste, massage this over your feet in circular motions and later scrub your feet with pumice stone. Rinse off well and the pat it dry. Before you go to the bed, rub your feet with Stridex pad, which foliated your foot skin as it has 2% salicylic acid in it. After this, apply a thick moisturizer, probably a petroleum jelly or a salicylic cream, on the bottom of your feet. Now pull on socks and rest your feet for about 4 hours. This foot scrub helps to remove dead skin cells accumulated on your foot skin throughout the day. Number 3, banana pulp foot mask. Banana is a great moisturizer, and trying out a foot scrub using a banana would fetch you maximum results. Ingredients: banana 1, lukewarm water as per required. Method: take a banana and mash it with a fork and apply the pulp to your feet. Wait for 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. You can also add pulp of half avocado to the banana as an alternative. This scrub is simple yet functions great when applied to your feet. Banana pulp works as a good moisturizer and leaves your skin with much softer and smoother skin. So guys, I hope so by trying all these scrubs you will definitely get rid of cracked heels. When you try these home remedies, comment me to tell me that whatever you have results with your cracked skins. So if you have any kind of question, you can comment me. And if you like the video, please thumbs up and share it with your family members and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. Allah Hafiz.